Cuddles. You want this? Cuddles. Look what Mama got here. Come here. Here. Come on. You want it? Cuddles want it? How bad? Well, come here. Let's talk about it. Come on. You want it? Yeah? Why do you think you should get it? Why do you need it? Huh? What do you need this for? Yeah? You want it? Yeah? Who says? Who says it's yours? Yeah? Cuddles. You want this? You want this? Oh, how bad? Yeah? Well, here. Yeah? Cuddles. Here. There you go. Can I have it back? No? Can I have it back? Are you going to give it back to me? No? No? Really? Okay.